Playing human table foosball in an integrated setting can present its challenges. These can range from ensuring inclusion for all players to specific instructor challenges, such as presenting a clear focus of teamwork and fun instead of sportive results, and for athletes who have to depend on each other and adapt to the needs of their teammates. There are several factors that have to be considered when it comes to playing human table foosball in a mixed team with sighted people and those with visual impairments. To begin with, it is important that the ball is similar to the ones used in regular soccer for people with visual impairments. It contains a ring so people with visual impairments can locate the ball. There should be an equal number of visually impaired people in both teams to create an equal playing field. If necessary, sighted people can use blindfolds to create those equal teams. Finally, it is not allowed that players of one team communicate purposefully with body language. In sports, it is common for players to use hand signals to communicate strategic movements. Here, it is important to always include everybody and therefore refrain from tactical behavior along those lines. Challenges for instructors. Creating an inclusive foosball environment presents challenges for instructors, especially for people with visual impairments if the instructor, him or herself, does not have an impairment of such sort. First, it can be difficult to ensure that settings and rules are accessible and understandable to all participants. As non-verbal language is not an option, instructors must carefully design competition areas and equipment to accommodate sighted and visually impaired players, taking into account factors such as distance, tactile feedback, and auditory cues. Second, one needs to improve communication skills to effectively lead and facilitate play. Instructors must convey instructions clearly and concisely, using verbal cues and tactile guidance to help visually impaired players understand their roles and navigate the playing field. This requires patience, empathy, and the ability to adapt to meet the diverse needs of all involved. Additionally, maintaining fairness and inclusivity throughout the game is a challenge. Instructors should ensure that visually impaired players have an equal opportunity to participate and succeed, and help sighted players adapt to the unique dynamics of the game with their visually impaired teammates. This requires a proactive approach to remove potential obstacles and create an atmosphere of support and cooperation among all involved. Overall, instructors must approach these issues with creativity, sensitivity, and expertise to ensure human foosball remains a rewarding and enjoyable experience for all participants. Also, athletes are presented with a variety of challenging factors. First, mastering game mechanics such as ball control and coordination can be difficult, especially for visually impaired players who rely on haptic feedback. Additionally, adapting to the unique dynamic of the game with teammates of varying abilities requires teamwork and communication skills. Athletes must learn to work together effectively, using verbal and barely non-verbal cues to coordinate their actions and support each other to achieve common goals. This requires patience, understanding, and mutual respect between teammates. Athletes with visual impairments may have more difficulty navigating the playing area and anticipating the movement of the ball and other players. Overcoming the game's constraints, such as staying within specified boundaries and avoiding collisions, requires improved spatial awareness and adaptability. Despite these challenges, participation in human table foosball provides athletes with valuable opportunities to develop skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving, as well as a great sense of camaraderie and inclusion. With determination and perseverance, and the support of instructors and teammates, athletes will be able to overcome these challenges and fully enjoy the unique experience of human table foosball. Thank you for your attention.